Hello, and welcome to this HelloID provisioning product release video for January 2022. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born-in-the-cloud, easy-to-configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or the SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the January 2022 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the January 2022 release. We have one new item in this release: limit number of concurrent executing actions. With this new feature, we have introduced the ability to limit the number of concurrent executing actions for both the on-premise and cloud agent. Let's demo this new feature so you can see how it works in detail. Let's start with our functionality of limiting the number of concurrent executing actions. Please keep in mind that this new feature is only available within the PowerShell target connectors of HelloID for the built-in ones like Active Directory or Azure Active Directory. We handle the connections internally in a different way. We now have the option to configure a concurrent actions configuration as a part of the connector, in which we can configure the number of concurrent actions to be handled by the agent. By default, the number of concurrent actions has not been limited by a setting, but it's based on the maximum capacity as being available for the agent. For example, an on-premise agent, where there are 2 sessions available per agent, if you have multiple agents, you can have multiple sessions. For cloud, we handle it as batch per tenant, where we fetch the list of actions to be executed, which is limited to a maximum of 10 actions at once concurrently. For enabling the configuration, there is a new toggle button introduced to enable it. Once you enable it, you can configure this setting conforming to your needs to have 1 or 5 concurrent actions, for example. Once it has been applied, you will see that the configuration is changed, and we're now limiting the number of concurrent actions to 5. That's what we just did with the limit to our recently made configuration adjustment. One note on this is that when changing the configuration while there are currently running processes, the configuration will not apply to the already running processes, and a warning notification is shown about how this change can affect the current process stack. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.